Hello everyone, it's me Bella and welcome to the How to Do It HDI channel. Today I'm going to be making another slime video since you all enjoyed my last slime video where I showed you how to make slime. I'm just going to be mixing things up a little bit, like I'm going to be using a slime solution that I bought off the internet or online. So I have 3 of this Wilko Let's Create slime solution and they are in different colors. So one of them is red, one of them is blue, and the other is yellow. The yellow is a little bit worn out, but that is okay. Something I like about this, there's actually 2 things I like about this, is first of all, you could use any sort of way to make slime. You could use activator, which is borax and water, or you can even just use contact lens solution baking soda, which I am going to be doing. And also I also like it because it's basically the different colors and you don't need to use food coloring, so that is a real good bonus. So I'm going to be making one with you all and then I'm going to show the results of these 2 and we're going to see if this Wilko Let's Create slime solution really works. So without further ado, let's get to it. So I think I'm going to do this red. I don't know, it's just been cooling to me, so let's just put the blue and the yellow aside and let's start. So for the contact lens and bicarbonate of soda away, you're gonna need a bowl, but you can do it on a surface or something like that. Lots of people like doing it on the floor and stuff. I really just prefer doing it in a bowl. You're gonna need some contact lens solution if you're gonna do it this way. Just put it here. And you're gonna need bicarbonate of soda, but just a teaspoon of it, I'd say. And speaking of that, you're gonna need a teaspoon to measure it. So this is a teaspoon spoon. I might put in a little bit of it. It really depends how much. So I'm not really a measurer actually. And you're gonna need a spoon, but something to mix it with. But some people actually prefer doing it with their hands and stuff like that, which is perfectly great. I just don't really like getting that messy. So sorry about that. So let's start. So first of all, I'm gonna have to pour in this Wilko Let's Create slime solution. Let's tidy this place up a little bit, not making it that messy. I'm gonna keep my spoon here, and let's pour in the Wilko Let's Create slime solution. Yeah. Ooh, that red look. It kind of looks like pink when you pour it in here. It's so pretty. It's like purple because I'm pretty sure if you mix red and blue, it makes purple. Ooh, it's so pretty. Because my bowl is like blue, you know. Oh, just a little bit more. I'm just gonna pour in like half of the bottle because I'm not gonna use the whole thing. Because yeah, is that just a little bit more? Squeeze. Yeah, I think that's enough. Okay, so I got my Wilko Let's Create slime solution. It's actually quite a watery texture, I'd say. So yeah. So first of all, I'm gonna get my bicarbonate of soda. You know, wait, this is the texture. As you can see, it's sort of like running around everywhere. It's like water, like thick water or something like that. So first of all, you're gonna get your bicarbonate of soda, and you are going to just get like a little bit of it. Oh, sorry, I'm not showing you. So bicarbonate of soda, it's basically for baking and stuff. As you see, it's perfect for cookies and soda bread. And yeah, it's for baking and stuff. So you can find it really easily in stores and stuff, like in grocery stores. Because yeah, just a little bit more. You know, so you could just put in some, and next you're gonna, I guess, mix it. So mix. But you can't just put in the baking soda. The baking soda And you have to mix for a little while and make sure the lumps aren't there anymore. So we're just gonna speed this up. Okay, I have, as you see, there's not many more lumps in it as much. There's not as much lumps in it. And I think, yeah, the texture is quite good, but I think I'm gonna put like a teensy bit more bicarbonate of soda because I just feel like it. So okay, I'm done. The lumps are not there anymore, which is great. Oh, the spoon is seeable. So the lumps are not there anymore. And next, I'm gonna get my contact lens solution. Contact lens solution, you can find it in like the adaptations. I think it probably should be there, but yeah. Or like in like a store for like medicine and stuff, but yeah, it's really good for slime. So let's just pour in a little bit of it, and we're just gonna be adding it every few minutes or so. Like, you gotta mix it in properly. It's still really watery, but that's fine. So I think I have to pour in a little bit more. Ooh, it's already starting to group together, so that is a really good sign. So let's mix. So I'm just gonna speed this part up a little bit, so because you guys don't really need to see me mixing for like, I don't know, 10 minutes. As you see, parts of the slime are already getting sort of like, it's just like sort of getting stringier and stuff, and that's a really good thing to see. So don't worry if you see something like this. As you see, it's already taking some bits of the edges. It's not much seeable yet, but you'll see it soon, and I really love the color of this. It's so beautiful. As you can see, it's already getting off the edges and it's more seeable now, so that is a great thing to see. And honestly, this slime is so beautiful. Hopefully it'll be sort of like a clear slime, but it's still kind of sticky, so I'm not gonna touch it yet. I just touched it, but that was what, I'm not gonna net it yet, so gonna just put in a little bit more contact lens solution and we'll see what happens. Okay guys, that actually worked out so well. As you can see, it's starting to look loads like a slime, and it's starting to grab things off the edges. So this is so cool. Still sticky. I love touching it like really early. I don't know why, it just looks so pretty and I can't wait to play with it. So I'm not gonna put in any accessories because I think this slime's gonna be beautiful just by itself. Okay, I think I need to add some more contact lens. I've got to say, there is something bad about this, and you know what it is? This slime solution absolutely stinks. It doesn't have a nice smell to it. It doesn't smell nice, okay? So it's getting really nice and stringy, and it's already getting like slime, so that's good. Oh yes. Look at that stretch. Look at it. It has such a good stretch. Look at that stretch. Oh. You can't really see it, look. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Okay, I think it is time to net it. Okay guys, I think my slime is finally done. So it's still a little bit sticky, but it's actually so fun to play with. So let's okay. So I'm gonna So I'm gonna see if I can make pokes. So okay, pokes. Okay, kind of, yeah. Oh, you can actually make pokes with it. Some of it just flew out onto my table. So if you feel you need more activator because you don't really want a sticky slime, you could absolutely do that. Like, go ahead, you can do it. But honestly, I'm just gonna be myself and just play with sticky stuff because it's very satisfying and I kind of like it. So it has a really nice stretch. So, oh, look at that. I don't want to make bubbles on my table though because I don't want to get my table dirty. Well, that's so fun. So I just do. Oh, it's a really fun slime and I totally recommend this Wilko Let's Create Slime solution. It's so fun. And the colors, when it turns out, it's so beautiful. Like, I love this color so much. Some slime going onto my table. This is going everywhere. If you love making slime, well, you don't really want to use food coloring, but you really want your slime to be colored, I totally recommend this. It's so good and it makes the perfect slime. So now I'm going to make the other two Wilko Let's Create Slime solution and see if those work as well. So let's do it. Okay, I finally finished all three Wilko Slime Solution colors. So I finished the red one, the yellow one, and the blue one. I did the red one with you guys. So I really enjoyed doing these, and now let's see if they're really fun to play with. So you've already seen a little bit of the red, but I'll still show how it is. So, ooh, it's so good. Look how stretchy it actually is. It's really stretchy and it's really fun to play with. The color is beautiful and it makes nice pops as well. But let me try. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Oh, that pop. These pops are so good and it stretches beautifully. So this is a really good slime. So next, let's look at our yellow slime that we made with this color. So it's sort of like a white, now that I look at it. It's very, it stretches about the same. It's basically the same slime as the red one, but it's a different color. Let's see if it worked out as well. Ooh. It's really fun to play with. The color is quite like clear, so you could add some stuff to it if you want, like glitter, charms, even color maybe. So that's really fun. And last but not least, the blue slime with this blue that I created with this blue what color. So ooh, this one's really nice. It's a little bit sticky. I made this one a little bit sticky, but it's still really fun to play with. So let's see if it really stretches nice. Ooh, that's all nice stretch. Very nice and stringy. I honestly love this one. and the pops are great. And also the color is so nice. When you stretch out, it creates this beautiful light blue, and I really like that color as well. I really enjoyed making these slimes today, and I really recommend the Wilko's Let's Create Slime solution if you really like making slime but you don't really like using food coloring. I mean, just coloring, whatever coloring you like. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all of you, your likes, your subscribes, your views, and your support. Thank you so much for coming today, and if you'd like to support me even further, not that you've already supported me enough, you can buy me a coffee on buymeacoffee.com. Well, I guess that's it for today's video. Bye!